Good morning. Experiment name is second order active high pass filter. What is a high pass filter? High pass filter is a filter which is used to pass only the high frequency signals and which will attenuate the signals which are below the cutoff frequency. This is the circuit diagram of high pass filter. In low pass filter, the difference between a high pass filter and a low pass filter is just by changing the C with R and R with C. By interchanging R and C, we are getting high pass filter. Here, the feedback is, since we are giving the feedback for the non-inverting terminal, the op-amp gain will always be greater than 1. The input signal is 1 volt peak to peak from signal generator, and here the op-amp IC, we should give the 12 volt plus 12 volt and minus 12 volt supply. The output should be noted in pin number 6 of the IC, and the working is, how does it work? As the character of capacitor is, it just allows to pass only the high frequency signals, and obviously it attenuates the low frequency signal. So by seeing the graph, we can see here is the pass band is the region where high frequency signal passes, whereas stop band is the region where low frequency signal attenuates, which is below the cutoff frequency. So this is the simple working of second order active high pass filter. Now we can see it in circuit. This is the circuit of second order active high pass filter. We are giving the input from the signal generator. This is the signal generator. From signal generator, we are giving the input to the capacitor 0.01 microfarad. So from here, it is connected to the CRO. This is the input and this one will be the output. The output we have taken from the pin number 6 of the IC. So then by varying the frequency, we can see this is in frequency 0.25 kilohertz, means 250 hertz. We can see that the frequency is very low. If we increase the frequency, the amplitude varies, amplitude of the voltage varies. If you go, the circuit here is designed for 1 kilohertz, FC is 1 kilohertz. If it crosses 1 kilohertz, gradually the frequency as well as amplitude increases. See here, if you increase beyond 1 kilo, the amplitude of the output increases. See, now it is in 2 kilo. The amplitude of the voltage is output voltage is greater than the input voltage. So here what we can conclude is high pass filter allows to pass high frequency signals, and in high pass filters it attenuates the low frequency signals, as we have seen earlier, and we have taken the output from the pin number 6 of the op-amp IC, and this is the RC network, and it's as you